Hey everybody, welcome back to our Saturday afternoon video. And today we are going to be looking at a maintenance add-on for Kodi. And that add-on is called Easy Maintenance. But before we install that add-on, we got to make sure that your Kodi is set up to install third-party add-ons. So pretty quickly, you just want to go to this gear up here. You want to go to System, Add-ons, and you want to make sure that this is clicked on. When you click it on, it will give you a warning that these aren't official add-ons, and if it borks your system, tough beans. It's not their fault, don't go complaining to them. Now that that's done, we want to go into File Manager. Okay, let's get back. Okay, File Manager. We're going to go to Add Source, and we're going to double click where it says None, and we're going to toss into there is this. I will have it posted in the comment section. So once you've got that cut and pasted, hit OK, and we'll leave that the way it is. Now we'll just back out. On your computer, you can right click your mouse, and we're going to go to add-ons, and I have it already, but basically you would go to the package guy here. You would go install from zip file, open that, and that's what we're looking for. Open that up, and this is the repository. Once the repository shows up here that it's been installed, we would go to install from repository, program add-ons, and there it is. Like I say, I already have it installed. So let's look at it. So you've got your fresh start where you can completely wipe out everything. It does leave maintenance plus in there, but it completely wipes it out. You got your backup and restore, which allows you to, of course, back up your full Kodi installation and restore it to a clean Kodi installation. And it doesn't have to be on the same computer. The backup is a zip file. Maintenance is the nice one. If you go into maintenance, you can clear your cache, you can clear the old packages, and you can clear the thumbnails. That'll get rid of a lot of stuff that could be slowing Kodi down or causing buffering problems, because if you got a full cache, it won't, you'll get buffering problems. There is this advanced settings for buffer size, but I haven't been able to get it to work. And you got speed test. So let's see how fast we got going here. There we go. Oh, wow, neat. And in our settings, um, you can click auto clean cache at startup. That's what I would do. Or you can set it for a number of days. I wouldn't worry about any of this. The thumbnails folder, you can decrease the size. I basically use it for the maintenance. So that's it. I was going to do Windows 11 video today and how to install it, but you know what? I am so tired of the BS after every update So I think our next video, and it might be sooner than later, will be changing operating systems. Yeah, does that sound exciting? Let me know. Give me some ideas that you want to use. I'm leaning towards more popular one, but you might have your own idea of what's working for you. But yeah, I just wanna get away from Windows. It's aggravating me. So that's our video today. It's short, it's sweet. I just wanted to let everybody know that this existed and how you can install it and what you can do with it. Thanks for coming by, and I got the Facebook group up, got set up in Messenger too, and we'll let you know on Facebook when the next video will appear. Everybody, have a great day.